Good morning, welcome to a beautiful sunny Sunday morning in the Mini Performance Home Workshop. Yeah, it's a beautiful, warm, sunny, almost spring-like day outside, but unfortunately, coronavirus, say no more really. So, what have I been doing? Well, yesterday I was up at the workshop, not the home workshop obviously, the main workshop. Took Bumblebee up there, so I've got room in this garage here now, where you normally see the red cover in the background. And I altered the fueling quite a lot. I added a factor of 100 to the start fueling in the 0, 1 and 10 degree categories for the first 50 turns or something like that, and it started way better. So I think that's the solution to the poor starting I've been suffering, or poor cold starting I've been suffering from on Bumblebee. So I might stick a bit more fuel in and try it when we go up there this afternoon when it's cold again, just to see if it's any better. And I did a little bit of tweaking on the main fuel map after the drive across there as well. I just ran the Lambda history as I was working through it, and just altered a few figures, only by a few percent. As long as the fueling's within 1 or 2% of what the target is, that's all I'm really fussed about. So I got back here last night. Obviously I got a bit of room, and I dug my way to the blast cabinet, and I've started cleaning up some of the parts for the B20 VTEC build, the brake parts, and also working on some of the gearbox parts that I took off ready for Bumblebee. And what I've done is I've blasted them and I've painted them. So what we've got here, the two output flanges, or whatever you call them, and that bit off the speedo housing, they've just got the first coats of paint on. It's just the matte chassis paint it'll do, just to protect them. They'll look a bit better with a little bit of paint on them than just the bare aluminium. And obviously that's one of the back plates that I had stashed. It'll clean up enough that it'll be alright to use for this build. It's not perfect, but it's not totally rotten, so it'll do. It'll go again. And again, it's just been blasted in the cabinet, and then given a first coat of paint. So all I'm going to continue doing this morning is a bit more clean up, find some more bits to blast, get them painted, and then this afternoon we're going up to the storage unit. And we're going to work on the VTEC Mini, which will all be off camera. We're going to take the engine out with that, so the cam belts can get done, the diff can get changed, and a whole load of stuff happening on that one. But that's all not filmed, because that's Christopher's car. And obviously the reason for that is everything's been cancelled. So I think a lot of people are in the same boat. They're just reverting back into the garage, and any work that they've put off on the cars for any length of time is going to get done over this summer, because certainly in the short term, for the next 3-4 months, there's absolutely going to be nothing happening. Everything's getting cancelled or postponed to the back end of the year, and whether some of these events even happen at the back end of the year is debatable. So yeah, that's what I'm doing. Gonna go and stick my nose in a blaster and get some more stuff cleaned off.